There are a lot of tricks and hacks that we can use to make our work a lot easier in Microsoft Office programs. MBA students at KFA Business School have been learning such tricks and tactics under the iEvolve series pillar, which has helped them excel in their education as well as professional life. In this video, we'll learn how to calculate ease in Excel. Using a combination of Excel functions and the date of birth, you can easily calculate age in Excel. You can either calculate the age till the current date or between the specified period of time. The techniques shown here can also be used in other situations, such as calculating the duration of a project or the tenure of the service. Suppose you have the date of birth in cell A2 and you want to calculate how many years have elapsed since that date. Here is the formula that will give you the result. In the formula, A2 represents the start date. The today function represents the end date, whereas Y returns the number of completed year in the specified time period. If you have the current date or the end date in a cell, you can use the reference instead of the today function. For example, if you have the current date in cell B2, you can use this formula. Here, A2 represents the start date, B2 represents the end date, and Y returns the number of completed years in the specified time period. Thank you for watching this video.